dudes, what's going on? We're at Sydney Dragway today and it is blowing a gale. What we are doing today is a mate of mine hit me up and he said, I've bought a WRX, and I'm sitting here going, yes. And he said I wanted to be just a track car, just a track WRX. So basically there's a Twilight series which is like called the Whiteline Twilight series, which is just like for guys that just want to have a bit of a crack and just throw their car around a racetrack and get professionally timed. There's some dudes here that have like ridiculous cars, like there's a Ferrari here, and then there's people here that have like a streetable MX-5. So there's everything that goes. We've taken our car, we've got a 99 WRX, it's fully gutted, it's stock as hell. We put our stickers on it, we got scrutineered, it passed safety, and then yeah, we're just hanging around now to find the final instructions and we'll see where to go from here. I'm not driving, I'm a co-driver. Dean is the driver, and we're waiting to see what we actually go to now. So I think we're about to get told where to go right now. Return back. So we just finished driver's brief and we got about 15 minutes until the first car has to go. So they've just given us free track. So we're just going full tilt until the first car has to go. Fuck, this is so legit.
Into it, proper.
Alright, that's our second lap done. We're going to go back to the pits and walk around. We're on about 6:35, so we will f*** around until then and then get stuck into it. It's game time. Let's go. Pretty sure this could be a deathly experience. track. Like, you have to. Otherwise, that part there is fucking wild. Like, that's a fucking half a foot deep.
Yeah, I didn't think it was that deep last time.
That is fucking huge. Control catch. So we've just come in from run number 3. We just parked the car up here. So right now we just parked the car. We got the bonnet up just to get some heat out of the engine. Not that it really matters a lot, but I mean it'll make some sort of a difference so that the engine just doesn't completely heat soak. So far we've done a 237, 234, and then a 233. That last run was wild. It was fucking crazy. It's super sketchy in the dark. There's parts of this track that you just cannot even see, and we have 20-year-old headlights that do absolutely all of lighting the track up. So we've been talking about putting a light bar and stuff on the car so that we can actually see where we're going. But apart from that, it is absolutely wild. Everyone down here is having like crazy times. There's cars here that like have gearboxes worth more than triple our car. So we've got 2 more runs in, and yeah, basically just keep on having a red hot crack and just keep sending it until we break something. Avoid those f***ing holes. Where you slowed up to avoid that big f***ing hole, and then it was like it kind of made you go like at a reasonable speed around there, which probably did you a favour, to be honest. Yeah. Because then I couldn't see the track.
That one was quicker.
Yeah, dude, that's got to be your fastest lap.
So when I was editing this vlog, I actually found out that 1, the GoPro didn't work in round 5, in race 5, and 2, I didn't film an outro. So race 5, we ended up doing a 2-minute 33 run, 2-minute 33 flat. That put us, all of our times put together, we came 33rd out of 66. So exactly halfway. That's pretty cool, and it was heaps of fun, but I can just say now, I'm filming this now at the end of the whole series, and if there's one thing that you want to hang around for, it's the build of this car, because it is insane. It gets pretty loose. The car now is completely transformed to what it was. So you might see a little bit of spoiler GTR content in there as well. I'll leave it at that. If you want a bit of a spoiler as to what I mean by this WRX build is getting pretty loose, well, that's probably how loose it's getting. So, that's the motor in pieces. Well, it's not the motor that's in the car, it's actually an STI motor. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. This series is going to be hectic, believe me, it truly is proper scary. So tune in next week. This is going to be a 10 episode series. It's just going to be so good. So apologies for the vlogging in this one. This was filmed back like early last year when I just started vlogging, so I was super awkward and I was super shaky like this, and but now I just kind of don't really care. So anyway, see you on the next one. Bye!
Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love, 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 love,